On today's episode of Young, Dumb, and Disabled.
Good girl.
Kaboom. No, she's like, I'm too smart for this.
Before I left, last thing I told her, I gotta soak it in before I get older. 'Cause we both know it's meant to be. I'm headed south so I can breathe. Those canyon walls keep calling me. Those canyon walls keep calling me.
It's spilling down you. I got that on video. Hey, ready? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You got it. Good girl. She hesitates on the way down. We pull. Okay, ready? Good girl. Yes, good girl. Now just pull. Good job. Good girl. Now just pull. Good job. Good girl. Here you go. She's like, come watch. Here you go. Okay. Okay. You done? You want me to stop it?
Come. Yeah. Come on, up. Wait, up. Come on. No. Wait. Come here. Winnie, come on. No, she's like, I'm too smart for this and too lazy. All right, Winnie. Come on. Up. Nope. Let's go. Come. Up. You don't believe me. You can jump it. Come on. Up. Come on, you got it. You good girl. Up. Come on. You have jumped bigger fences.
Here, let's see.
She won't do it.
I don't know if I do it again, but see?
Good boy. Winnie, ready? Let's go. Up. Winnie, come on. All right, that's not happening. Good girl, Winnie. You tried. Back.
Oh my gosh.
I know, and look at the orange one up there. Back.
I look around at all the gifts that have taken my pain away. But oh, won't you whisper? Come on now,
Come here, Winnie.
softly in
Come
my
here.
ear.
Sit.
You know I stay so quiet if you were loud enough to hear.
I need to put her gear back on her and buy the vest.
I feel like I've been lifted. My heaven ain't far today. Oh Lord, I look around at all the gifts that have taken my pain away.
And on next episode of Young, Dumb, and Disabled.
I wish I were holding you tonight.